guys, we are on our way to the Everglades, but the company that we booked with, we have to leave from that place to the bus, and we're on a bicycle with 3 seats at the back. So the kids and I are here, and baby's behind us walking. Hi Sarah, say good morning to the face.
This one like that?
Yes, like this one. When you're in your room, you have a little window that you can see the beach.
It will be like a hotel on the one.
Yeah. Virgin something is written on that one over there.
Mama,
Yes?
I got what is gone.
Huh? You're what is gone?
5, Key West Express, blue, please back. I repeat, the name of the company or the name of the group is...
Guys, this thing is moving so fast. I didn't even get to talk to you guys properly this morning. So we are at the Everglades right now, National Park. Everything's just because we book a tour. So we got here from the hotel on a bus, and we're here right now, going on the water. See these hooks on this tour. So yeah, we're here in a line of low wristband people waiting to go on the boat. So we're looking forward to that. I find fishes, that's for sure. Sarah, you don't touch anything. You don't do anything you're not supposed to do. And you stay to mama, okay? And I talk to you how many times? How many times I'm supposed to talk to you? 1. Okay. So we're on the Everglades with the fam bam. But the captain says, let's see what we can find. What he said? Okay. We're staying on the front row.
You guys can take up this whole second row.
Okay. Nice.
Where are y'all from?
France.
France?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. Go in and take Princess.
2 of y'all? You guys can take that front right seat right there.
Sarah, go all the way over to Papa.
Should I go on the couch too?
Huh? Sarah. Tyler.
And I'm sure you can imagine it's just not very smart. So, please refrain from smoking. Also, please keep your hands and feet in the boat. There are things out here that can cut you. There's a few things that can bite you, myself included. I don't want to have to bite anybody today, so if we follow those rules, we'll have a great time. You guys ready to go?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, he's on the outside. He's at the top. Yeah.
Alright folks, now as we start our trip, I would like to remind you that I cannot promise or guarantee we'll see anything specific today, but I do promise to try my best to show you folks as much as I possibly can in the short amount of time that we have together out here. Now these double-crested cormorants do have a nickname known as the fish bird. That's because they happen to be better swimmers than they are flyers. They can swim actually up to 35 miles per hour.
what is the crocodile? When I find one, I'll show you, okay? Tyler is on your side. He's going under.
Now that alligator, kind of just like the other one we saw swimming, they use their tail muscle to swim. The tail muscle is the second strongest muscle in the alligator's body. They not only use that to swim, but they also use it to jump out of the water. Alligators can jump over 50% of their body length out of the water.
Oh, wow.
Well, that's how long the alligator will be in its entirety.
It's just laying there. Yeah.
Now, alligators have 80 teeth, 40 on top. They swallow all their food.
It's gone under. No.
To our left, there's a couple more. Just so you know,
an opportunistic hunter. They will eat anything from raccoons, turtles, fish, bird, deer, snails, bugs, and of course their favorite, tourists. There's over 1 million alligators out in the state of Florida, guys. If they really wanted to kill and eat people, we'd have people dying every day. We have more people killed annually by vending machines than by alligators. And that's not a bad joke or a punchline. Guy gets angry, can't get a candy bar. He'll shake a vending machine, he'll fall down and crush him. More often than people get killed by these goofballs, which says everything you need to know about alligator aggressiveness and human intelligence. Speaking of, I'm gonna grab an alligator for you. I know everybody's looking at the water, you're like, ew, it's yellow, it's gator pee. Guys, it's not gator pee, it's Gatorade. But it is well water, and we do scrub it out and clean it every single day. Funny enough, it is the same water that comes out of the water fountains.
Oh. Ew. Yeah.
Weird. You should go back on this. Bad dog. Watching you. You tickle you.
Oh!
Get in the way. Yeah. This is how you display dominance against an alligator, is by bothering them. But he's like the dominant male in like this little enclosure over here. So he can get a little testy. Specifically, it's the breeding season. So I think he considers me like a rival male or something like that. So no, I'm not food. Luckily for him, he's too big for me to get him to the center, so I cannot make him do anything. I hope some of you got that on footage, though. That's the coolest thing you're gonna see all day. Everything else goes downhill from there. Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
He's like, no, I've been chosen.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You are insane.
So, we're gonna look inside of his mouth if he lets me. But usually that gives them like a little bit of an opportunity to try to chew on my fingers, so he might try that instead. But hopefully he does nothing. So, no, never mind. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Try harder at least. Make it look scary. Ooh. Bad dog. If you're a good boy, at the end of the show, I will get you a nice chihuahua. That's a joke, by the way. Now, this gives me enough time. I can take it a little rope, Hi, a couple nuts, and just like that, I got myself a cut and tied alligator. And now for the biggest questions that we get asked all day. Why aren't they? Oh, never mind. Impressive. How am I still alive? And why do y'all look so disappointed I'm still alive? Now, the number one thing people think to themselves is you fed them. That's why they're so calm. And if you're thinking that, you're the first person to die. Feeding them does not make them calm and happy. It creates a feeding frenzy. It is the last thing we do for the week, then we go home. We don't come back in here because they're all going nuts. But a lot of the time, people think to themselves, they're like, I feed my dog and he loves me. Why wouldn't it be the same? Does this look like your dog? He does not think or act like your dog. He sees me as food. I bring food with me. That is what he calls a buy one, get one free. The other one is, if you feed them enough, they'll get full and not want to bite you. Alligators will sit there, eat and eat and eat till they'll vomit it all out, then eat it all over again. Beautiful smell, by the way. So no, there's nothing in their brain that tells them to stop eating. But when an alligator first comes in from the wild, guys, they obviously don't act like this. He is going to try to kill me with everything that he has because he thinks I'm gonna kill him and he's gonna defend himself out of fear. Once he learns I'm not gonna hurt him, he's a lot more calm, relaxed. He is tolerating a lot of this because he knows I'm no threat, but he does know I'm the guy that does the show. Just about every gator does one. That's able to see me walking around. They're just like, don't pick me. Don't pick me. Does that make them tame or trustworthy? No. As you can see, that guy over there, he honestly hasn't done that to me in like about a year, right? But they are wild animals. If I give them the opportunity, if I were to trip and fall, my hand slips. If they think they can creep up on me, they'll go for it, and it happens every day. One of them will try to see if I'm paying attention and try to very slowly come up and nibble the back of my leg. And if I'm not, any one of these very lazy animals would rip my legs off, eat it in front of me, and not think twice or feel bad about it, because he's an alligator, not a live face comes off. Gotta have a dark sense of humor. So I'm going to try to open up his mouth, balance my chin on the edge of the open jaws, and if anything touches inside, they'll slam shut because it's a reflex. But
oh my God.
Kind of like he did at the beginning, the second I open up his mouth again, he's going to try to chew on my hands.
Why are you doing that?
It's like they're right there. Come on. It's like peanut butter stuck to the roof of your mouth, and I'm just the peanut butter.
Sarah, look at that, Sarah, look.
You good? Remember, Chihuahua, still an option. Look at that. Bribery works. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. Okay. I think we're good. The trick is, you have to let me do it.
No.
That's enough of that. Anyways, let us know once in a while when he just gets up and he waddles away. Let's see how far he decides to move. And, oh. That's further than I thought. I thought it was going to be like right there. But let's see how far he actually goes. Now I'm curious.
Hubby, look.
Now he's done. And he's going to lay there for the next 3 hours. Now for you guys, we're going to take the baby gator and some other cool animals to check out. If you have any questions for me, I'll be standing soon.
Okay, alligator show is done and we are having a quick bite before we head back to our bus. That's okay, eat. We're having a quick hot dog.
Mama is breaking too.
Tyler? Tyler, put down the paper towel out of your hand. Don't approach it. Don't. Come on.
Oh, we did it.
You guys, we have ended up in a store called Burlington, and let me tell you, we're getting away with these clearance sale in here. they have clothes on sale. The prices are amazing. So we're doing a little shopping, which wasn't planned, but that's what we're ending up doing right now, and I'm loving it. Yes, we went to Target. Target was disappointing, and then we saw Burlington just beside, and we came in, and it's amazing in here. So we're at Burlington shopping. Not us, just scrolling through Miami Beach on street number 9 like we're locals. Let me tell you guys, we went shopping. We buy things in Target, and look at my husband with that big old bag from Burlington. We went on the clearance rack, and we did find a bunch of things for Tyler, so we got them. So majority of what's in that bag is for Tyler. Babe find 2 workout shorts. I find a nice little I find a nice little jeans looking top that I've been wanting to wear with my outfit for tomorrow, because you'll see what we're doing tomorrow. Tomorrow is exciting, and Sarah give you a little hint. She just give you a little hint what we're gonna do tomorrow. But anyway, I'll tell you all about it in tomorrow's vlog, or in the next vlog. I was gonna tell you something else just now and I lose my train of thought. But anyway, we're heading back to the hotel, and I think we're gonna end the day at the beach. It's 7 p.m. right now. You find street 10?
Yes.
So I'll give Sarah a challenge that she's to find the number of the streets, and when she find a certain number we arrive. So we're at 10.
In this street, in this avenue, means than to walk from the Washington Avenue. We have no red lights here.
Oh, so we just cross. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you guys, see you guys later if I see you. Quick evening fix at our favorite spot, Cheesecake Factory. Finally, we got our cheesecake. Yes, our heart is happy. I don't care. I don't care. Talk about worth the wait. This cheesecake worth the wait. Both weight, whichever weight you want to call it. Got more? My girl is enjoying her cheesecake. Finally, we got her cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory. I'm having the red velvet. Comment down below and tell me which cheesecake at the Cheesecake Factory is your favorite.